We got our Hawaiian slider rolls. We're gonna go ahead and toast these up before we start making these sliders. We're gonna do a little hot honey over the top. Guys, if you don't want hot honey or you don't like the heat, just use regular honey, all right? So we're just gonna do just a little drizzle over each. We're adding a little sweet heat element to this savory breakfast sandwich. Let's go ahead and get this in the oven for about 5 minutes till it's nice and toasty. And y'all, we're doing some Kraft American singles for these little sliders. Guys, if you don't like it, don't look at it, baby. Kraft singles are the best for these sliders. Okay, we're out of the oven. We're gonna start adding our American cheese on the top and obviously on the bottom. Guys, this is gonna work as the glue to keep these sliders together. Keep everything inside of it. Got some cooked eggs here. We did a little soft scramble on them. So if your eggs don't sound like that, you know, I don't know what to say. Let's get our eggs added on there. Our soft scrambled eggs. I did 8 eggs for this. If you guys want more eggs, do more eggs. Guys, this is looking too good so far. We're gonna add some meaty goodness next. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Okay, we got some cooked breakfast sausage going in. Just enough to coat the top here. And if something drops off, don't worry about it. We're not stressing these things. All right. It's looking good, guys, looking good. Put some over there. You wanna make sure every slider has meat on it when you cut them. Okay. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Mine are clean, hopefully yours are too. All right. This is why we toasted those buns to start. That way it stands up to all the goodness we're putting on top of it, right? Now we got some cooked bacon going on. We're just gonna chop some over the top here. If y'all wanna use a knife, go for it, but find these kitchen shears. Work really well to cut up all that bacon. Help you kind of evenly distribute it, right? And we want it bacony, sausagey. Sounds about right. Guys, got that smoky bacon, little spicy sausage. I think that's about enough. We're looking good. All right, meat and cheese and all that around there. I got me a big old spatula. We're just gonna get up back. We flipped it over, the cheese folded on itself. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a little extra of that cheese, another slice, put those buns on there. Y'all never know the difference. Sometimes you gotta pivot when you're cooking. Don't worry about it. Got a little butter here. We took some of that hot honey and put it over there. We're gonna nuke this real quick. We're gonna brush this over the top of those sliders. We got our little honey butter here. We're just gonna brush it over the top of the sliders. Just add that sweet and spicy over the top. Use that Mike hot honey. You guys want to use a different honey, go for it. There we go. It's gonna look nice and shiny, glistening goodness. All right, y'all, sliders are ready to go in the oven. We're only gonna put them in there for about 10-15 minutes. Make sure all that cheese melts. Everything starts going together. The top's gonna be nice and shiny and glistening, but these are gonna be amazing. 10-15 more minutes, just keep an eye on them. Don't let them burn. Be right back. All right, 10 to 15 minutes later, there's your breakfast sliders, baby. Let's go. Get your obscenely large knife. Just cut right into it. All right. Get between each slider. Do a nice little cut. There we go. Tell me that ain't something you want to stick in your pie hole, guys. Let's go. Look at that. All right, let's take a bite. All right, y'all, I can't wait for the haterade in the comments about the American cheese, but trust me, it makes this sandwich, these little sliders are perfect with the American cheese. Melty, cheesy goodness, all right? And it's nice and crunchy. The bread got nice and toasty, but it's still nice and soft on the inside. You gotta get a bite, let's go. Sometimes you just gotta have a big towel around. This right here, you better make this. Come back in the comments and thank me. Because baby, you know it's good.